What is
The world, I got it.
Yeah.
Number one in the world. You won. The truck was nice too, man.
Yeah.
Look at that truck. Even today, it's nice. High power truck.
You do that horn, Eric?
The air horns on that.
That's
We have
that
that
truck?
Is it
That's
on
right.
the truck?
I have the air horn.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Yours truly. I can't really, I hope I don't hit my finger. In the old days, I used to get a nickel a box.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Part-time work.
Lunchtime or
These are the girls going home now. They really weren't going home. I had to make them walk back out. And his brother.
Well, that's
Brother.
his brothers.
Yeah.
His brother helped
Oh,
me.
did it?
Guys behind.
That was me. There's
That's it. Nacho Diaz. And there's Papa. And there is Suzanne.
Where's the guy? Oh, birthday. Whose birthday?
I was shy in those days.
Whose birthday, Al? Huh? Huh?
Baby shower.
Your baby shower,
All I
Al.
had to do.
It's your baby, Al.
Who's holding the cake?
Oh, the asparagus is dry now.
Ooh, with pomegranate?
No, those are the seeds.
Sugar seeds. No, the thrashing machine.
Thrashing machine, see?
Those
We
are
harvest the seed. We harvest the
Well, I
seed.
just think they don't even
I
farm
remember
it
that
anymore.
tractor.
You remember the tractor?
Yeah. That's a pretty big operation. Oh, I remember him.
Yeah,
With
that's
one
Nacho's
eye.
brother-in-law. Yeah, one eye.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you remember everything. You got a good memory, man.
But I didn't know he was not your brother-in-law.
Yeah. This is Susadunia.
Yeah.
He's thrashing the seed. This is Papa's invention. You know how much he made, guy? He used to make $20,000 a year, just the seed
And the
alone.
seeds?
Just the seed.
Wow.
To Germain, going to Germain and Agriculture.
20,000 a year? In those days?
Yeah, in those days, guy. And my father was saying it's better to just plant the asparagus for the seed than for the... See? And that's, I forgot that guy's name. He never takes a shower, he stinks. There's the guy. In his office, I forgot the guy's name. I tell him to sit down and I'll pretend you're going to do something. I remember. Pretty good actors, huh?
Well, he's signing his
Time card.
payroll, his signing card.
Yeah. He's like the foreman signing a time card. There's another foreman signing another person's time card. You know. He's from Texas, these guys are from Texas. Well, say something. Kept telling him to say something, he didn't say anything, I remember. He's a Hitler. I forgot the guy's name.
I forgot we had so many tractors.
Huh?
I forgot we had so many tractors.
Oh, a lot of tractors, guy. So many. Mary Calvin. What year is the calendar today? I don't know. That girl's name is Lois. We needed help. So we got part-time help from employment agency. We got a calculator there.
Monroe.
Huh? Oh, Monroe. There's Papa. His favorite chair. He liked that chair. He loves these movies, Papa, you know. Huh?
Yeah, you have Ghost face, Dan.
There it is.
The eyes are something lifted. never noticed that.
That should be the end pretty soon, huh? There I am.
You still have tapes?
Yeah.
That's the crew.
I'm always waving. Boy, those are precious, Al.
Yeah, these are terrific. Boy, I'm sure glad you did this.
Yeah. Guy, look at the cars. Our whole family has business in our blood, you know. That's what it's all about. Yeah, I'll have one.
We should get everybody going to business. Family.
Yeah. We've been in
Oh,
business.
that's what we do best at.
Yeah, that's true.
That's it. Look.
It's Chrysler, huh?
Well, I thought that was such a good picture.
Mm-hmm.
Finishing touch of it.
Yeah.
Sundown.
Off into the sunset.
Look at that guy. I ran the machine in slow motion too. See that?
There, this is good. This is good.
That Bob really pride himself in these John Deere that could split it in the front and close the row in the back. I mean, just unbelievable, guy. The John Deere is so good. Look at this. They knock out 100 acres in no time. The front discs are opening up and the back one throwing it back. Before you know it, it's all done.
How many years
What is
were you
this
guys
called,
in
is that
Ferguson?
About 40 years now.
40 years?
Yeah. These beds were planted by the grandfather and the father.
Did anybody else grow asparagus at that
No.
time? Yeah,
But we were the largest. Look at it. This is just one field.
How many acres do you have in Saugus?
Normally around 300-400. But, you know, they farmed as high as 1,000. When they were farming New Holland, Saugus, Porterville,
Yeah.
and Van Nuys, all at the same time. When I came into the picture, no more Porterville, and I think Van Nuys was just beginning, winding down, yeah. Oh, look at this guy.
Terrific shot.
How you like that guy?
Yeah, that's great.
Oh, look at that. Huh?
Yeah, that's terrific.
Look at the car. Irrigating. You know, before tractors, they were using mules. Guy farming's a lot of work. It's one of the hardest businesses.
Old Alice Chalmers.
Yeah.
Put that tractor with
So we're just gonna go dump the junk out in the field. You know, those tractors, guys, are still around and still being used. Yeah, see those old cars? You know, Jimmy Joe said, hey, those old cars are still operating around here.
That's pretty neat. I've never seen